What's up, guys? SideWinderOutdoors here. So we went trout fishing last weekend at a stock trout pond in Grandfather Mountain / Banner Elk off of Highway 105. It was a good time. I'll leave the description and stuff in the bio below with the Facebook and everything, so you can check them out. But if you ever guys have some spare time, you're up that way, you should go stop by. It is once you catch the fish, you have to keep them and then charge you by a pound. I think it was $6.95 a pound, and they either gut the fish for you and scale it, or then they'll fillet it and then you can bring it home and cook it and stuff. So yeah, hope y'all like the video. And just slowly retrieve it back. Like where that running water is.
Yeah,
You see where that? Yeah.
yeah, there's a ton of them like around.
You got one on?
No, but there's a ton of them around it.
Yeah. Faster retrieve it and throw it towards that water. And he's jumping. I got a hit.
You did?
Yeah. Just check to see if chasing it.
Oh my goodness.
I think I need a bigger spinner. Fish on.
Dang. That's a big one.
Oh, shit. Got him. And oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to these videos. Thank you guys.